You ready for biscuit, Monty? Where are you? Oh, wait a minute. Where's Monty? Where's Monty? Where are you at, Monty? Oh, there he is. There you go, darling. Very good. You want another one, Bart? There you go, Bart. My two babies up there. Yeah. Do you want another one, Leo? That's good. Who threw that biscuit at me? Did you throw that at me? Hello, gorgeous. Nice biscuits, aren't they? Yeah, very nice. Did you want another one, Monty? You want another one, Monty? Biscuit's bigger than you. Fresh on, man. Go, Fresh on. You want one, Ben? Well done, darling. Well done. Here you go, Fresh on. Here you go, darling. Go, Fresh on. Oh, Ben. Did you not like it? Not like it. Okay. Oh, did you want another one over here, darling? Oh, you're still eating. That's good. Okay. Charlie and Kimmy? Is that good, Charlie? Is that good? Yum.